Hey y'all, got something pretty cool here from Mossy Oak. Let's check it out. All right, what we got here is a Mossy Oak 13-in-1 folding multi-tool. Check that out. Very nice jaw cutter pliers, needle nose pliers. Got wire cutters that are replaceable. It's very nice. We've got can opener, bottle opener, wire stripper, a flathead screwdriver, another wire stripper. You notice they lock in place. Very nice. Each tool locks in place. I like that. We've got ourselves a leather punch. Got a large flathead with a file. Very nice. Nice texture on that file. I like how they lock in place. Very tactile lock. So you know once you open it, it's locked into place. We got drop point blade. Really nice. Locks into place. It's always good to have a blade that locks into place. And we got Phillips head screwdriver. A little pry bar slash flathead. Got a nice saw, and that is really sharp. Of course, everything's accessible when you close it up. Use all these tools. Very sturdy. It's got some good weight to it now, and it's nice and strong. I like it. Comes with a nice vinyl sheath that you can put on your belt. Very nice snap closure. Secure that right in there. Put that on your belt. Real nice. All right, folks. What do you think? The Mossy Oak 13-in-1 multi-tool pliers. I think it's pretty cool. I think it's really well made. The steel is 420 stainless steel, so that's a good tough steel. I think it's very well made. Looks like you can put a lanyard on here if you want to. I like the camo design. It's pretty cool. What do you think? The Mossy Oak 13-in-1 folding multi-tool. This can be had for under $19. And you can't beat that with a stick. For a decent multi-tool, decent needle nose. I like that spring action. Very nice. All right, y'all. Come this far. Appreciate it if you hit the like button. If you're not already, subscribe to my channel. It means a whole lot to me. And I hope everyone has a wonderful day. And remember, y'all, live life on the edge. Stay sharp. Bye now.